Hi everyone, this is DANI HOYO, professional padel coach for more than 7 years and playing padel for almost 15. And today we will make a different video, more theoric video. I don't want to make it very long, but we will talk about your not dominant arm when we play padel. If you know me, you know that I like to work a lot on the basics, and I think about padel that we will become better players if we master the basics and we do the small things much better for a longer time, at least than the opponent, to beat them. So no need to put the focus on do really amazing things to become better player in padel. We just need to do the small things really good. If you play padel using your not dominant arm, you will have better control over your shots. You will stabilize much better your core. You will be able to transmit better power to the ball. You will be playing more organized when you are on the defense. If you want to learn how to use the not dominant arm in padel, I'm gonna give you 5 tips or 5 general situations when we are playing that you can improve how to use your not dominant arm. Situation number 1, we are in the start position. I see a lot of players that in the start position, okay, they are in the good position, but they are like that. And they are, I don't know what they are doing, but the start position includes not only to be here in the middle of our side, also continental grip and the second hand holding the racket. It is gonna help you that if you are defending, if you are moving, you will keep your game organized. Look the difference to be moving like that. I'm exaggerating obviously, then be moving, okay, ready, hold the racket, ready, hold the racket. So it's very important to our start position here on the defense or on the net to be always aligned and ordered and organized. Second situation, when we play with our backhand, it's very important to know when we are preparing our backhand, okay, we will pull back the racket with our not dominant arm. It means that instead of do the preparation and then shot with our dominant hand, we will pull back. It's like this hand is not making any effort, okay, but it's obviously gripping the racket. And then when we start the movement, we should pull back this hand to create some tension, to get some power, and to keep stabilizing our body. Look at the difference. We are playing and we play this shot, okay, it's like I finish the shot, and for the next ball, if I am like that, it's very difficult then to keep controlling the next ball than to play this ball and then I already ready to the next ball. It looks like a stupid detail, but it's really important. Same when we are defending that when we are on the attack. So we are here, we look the ball coming and we will accelerate the ball, we will get more power, opening your chest and create more tension. So to explain it better, like I'm not a physic, okay, but each movement like you do with this part, okay, of your body provokes one reaction in the other part. So if I only do this, it's like I feel like not ordered and organized. So if I do this movement, automatically I will open the other part of our body and my body will finish organized. And it is possible because with my right hand I'm pushing there and with my left hand I'm pulling there. So when I release this tension, okay, I open both hands. So it's like I'm not forcing nothing, it's just I'm releasing the tension that my body has when I hold the racket. Third situation, we are on the net. Yay! Next situation, we are gonna volley. We are ready here to volley. We receive the ball to hit our forehand volley. So the first thing we have to do is at the same time we prepare the racket, we will turn our shoulders feeling compact. So with our not dominant arm, okay, we are gonna take the right distance with the ball and at the same time we are keeping aligned. So it's not only volley like that, okay, obviously I'm exaggerating the shot, but look the difference between this and this. And the same when we are on the defense, you look one ball coming, so we take the good distance with the ball, okay, we follow the ball when the ball is coming, and it is gonna help us to keep the control of our body and to take the right distance. Next situation, let's say we are gonna do one smash, one bandeja, one víbora. First of all, as we said in the previous tip, we will take the good distance, okay? We will, when the ball is coming, lob. So the first thing we will do will be to follow the ball with the ball. We talked about this in the previous point. But now, when we are gonna shot, okay, we cannot shot just hitting the ball with our arm. We should start the shot moving our both arms to hit with more control. It's not the same when we are only depending of our arm and our arm is very protagonist of our game than when we are playing using all our body, our core, our shoulder. So look at the difference between, okay, the shot, boom. Okay, I start to move and I start getting energy moving my second hand. And it's very important because if we don't use it, or if we go down, or if we cross our arms, and our general game will be a chaos, and we need to look good paddle players. That's very important. And last situation, we will use our not dominant arm when we finish the shot, when we make longer the shot, and then it is gonna help us to come back as soon as possible to the start position again. So we will use our not dominant arm in all the shot, from the preparation, checking where the ball is coming, taking the right distance with the ball. Then when we are gonna shot, our dominant arm is rotating, helping our shoulders and our core to do the whole swing. And then when we finish the shot, we will catch the racket again to come back as soon as possible to the start position. So men, please start using your not dominant arm when you play paddle. And if you want to start practicing how to use your not dominant arm, you can take your not dominant arm, stop the video, subscribe with your not dominant arm, not with your good arm. And you will see that you will be a good player. Thanks so much for watching the video. See you in the next video and see you.